Welcome back, my dear students. So it's time for us to start playing around with a database, right? Or to actually finish up setting up the configuration files also, right? So let's do this. We know that we have some configuration files here in Laravel, right? For our database, we also have to finish some configuration files for our Laravel installation, database, and we can do this from the back admin, from the admin in Heroku. So let me show you. If you go to your admin and you see your application here, all you have to do is go to, settings, and here you can reveal your configs variables. And there we go. We have the first one that we were able to set. We are terminal, right? We are shell. Let's come back here, and remember we did a command that we were, if I'm pressing my up arrow key here, we did a command that we created. There we go. Here, config : set, right? Heroku config, and this is how we can create it using the terminal. If you don't want to use the terminal, you're welcome to create it here. All you have to do is just make sure that you have your your key, for example, your environment variable here. So we can come here and say, okay, and then you set the value here and you say, okay, I want to go to production instead. All right, I want to make this available. And then you keep copying them, debug, like this. You set that to true because we want to just make sure that if we have an error, we are aware of it, right? That we can debug this later, just in case. I mean, you don't have to set this to production now, but you know, we're doing it just to show you. Level here, and we can say this one is debug, add, and I'm copying this one from the file, from the Laravel installation, and the URL that we want is our Heroku app application URL here. So I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it right here. There we go. All right. So that's one of our configuration variables. That's it. That's all we got to do there. We can come here, come back, make sure that it's still there, and everything is working 100% there, right? Let's make sure that our application is not broken either, right? There we go. All right, I just wanted to show you this on this lecture. This was a short lecture. I'm trying to divide this course into small lectures so you guys can digest this information. I know this might seem a little confusing for some of you. How can this app work like the way it is, you know? How can we launch stuff from the terminal to Heroku app, and the Heroku app will make this live for us? It's a little confusing, but once you do it a couple times and once you read the documentation, you can digest the information. You can actually learn exactly what it is. I'll see you in the next lecture.